Hi, welcome to episode 14. You're hiring, not cloning. As a business owner, it is inevitable. At one point in your life, you're going to need to hire a replacement. Or maybe you just need someone to help grow your business. Maybe it could be to reduce your workload, or maybe you just want to retire. Many business owners think that hiring a replacement is easy, and that could be the furthest from the truth. First, realize that if you're hiring a replacement for you, the person will not be you. They won't have 100% of your capacity, your knowledge, your motives, or even your approach to work. There's going to be a significant gap in ramp-up time with this, and this is where most of the problems start. Secondly, it is important that you identify the skill sets required to help you achieve your objectives. A replacement isn't about the perfect resume or industry experience. It's more about finding the right person to drive the business forward that doesn't alienate your existing employees. Once you find the right person, you need to allow yourself the freedom to not get frustrated when things don't go exactly as planned, because it isn't. So remember, you're not cloning yourself. So instead, you must train, coach, and develop this person so that they see and experience the business in the best way possible. You must give them the tools to help the business grow and flourish. Remember your objective for hiring this person. It's to take the time to make sure that success is the ultimate outcome. That's it for today, and we'll see you next time in Mike's Minute. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.